What's the best Jamaican restaurant in Philadelphia? We asked you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2022 in the Philadelphia area.
And now we are going to take you to the results for Philadelphia. We asked, what is the best local Jamaican patty shop / bakery? And you said, the Little Delicious. So congratulations to our winners there. Then we asked, where is the best place to buy Jamaican groceries? And you responded, Chuck's Caribbean Market. Congratulations to Chuck's. Then we asked, what is the best local Jamaican restaurant? And you replied, Jamaican, D's Caribbean and American Restaurant. Then we asked, the best Jamaican / Caribbean event you attended this year in Philadelphia, and you said the Philadelphia Caribbean Festival. So congratulations to our winners there.